Hello, folks. This is your boy Alex, and welcome back to this class. Welcome back to this lesson. And I always take this time to say thank you to you all for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your like and for your comment. And today I'm going to teach you guys the ordinal numbers, Haitian English to Creole, chiffre ordinal, the ordinal numbers, chiffre ordinal. Alright, the ordinal numbers, chiffre ordinal. So let's get started right away. Let's jump right in. Alright. For first, premier, first, premier, first, premier, second, deuxième, second, deuxième, third, troisième, troisième, fourth, quatrième, fifth, cinquième, alright, sixth, sixième, seventh, septième, eighth, huitième, ninth, neuvième, tenth, dixième, eleventh, onzième, twelfth, douzième, alright, thirteenth, treizième, fourteenth, quatorzième, alright, quatorzième, fifteenth, quinzième, sixteenth, seizième, seventeenth, dix-septième, alright, dix-septième, eighteenth, dix-huitième, alright, nineteenth, dix-neuvième, twentieth, vingtième, twenty-first, vingt et unième. Alright, guys, so I'm going to do a part 2 of this lesson. I don't have to put like 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. So I promise I'm going to do a part 2 of this lesson. Maybe next time I will add the rest of the numbers. All right. So for now I give the most important one, the most important one I give in this lesson. So the most used. All right, 21st, 21e, all right, 30th, 30e, 30e, all right, 40th, quarantaine, 50th, 50th, all right, 60th, 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 70th, 70th, 80th, 80th, alright, 90th, 90th, 100th, centième, 100th, centième, 1000th, millième. All right, guys. So let's repeat after me, please. Please repeat after me. Let's start off from first to 1000th. All right. Let's start over. Let's start over. All right. Let's start with first ordinal numbers, chiffre ordinal. The ordinal numbers, chiffre ordinal, Haitian English to Creole. the ordinal numbers, English to Creole. Alright, let's start with first. Chiffre ordinal yo. First, premier. First, premier. Second, deuxième. Second, deuxième. Alright. Third, troisième. Third, troisième. Fourth, quatrième. Fourth, quatrième. Fifth, cinquième. Fifth, cinquième. Alright. Sixth, sixième. Sixth, sixième. Sixth, sixième. Seventh, septième. Seventh, septième. Alright. Seventh, septième. Eighth, huitième. Eighth, huitième. Eighth, huitième. Ninth, neuvième. Ninth, neuvième. Tenth, dixième. Tenth, dixième. Alright. 11th, onzième. 11th, onzième. 12th, douzième. 12th, douzième. 12th, douzième. 13th, treizième. 13th, treizième. 13th, treizième. 14th, quatorzième. 14th, quatorzième. 14th, quatorzième. 15th, quinzième. 15th, quinzième. 16th, seizième. 16th, seizième. 16th, seizième. 17th, dix-septième. 17th, dix-septième. 17th, dix-septième. 18th, dix-huitième. 18th, dix-huitième. 18th, dix-huitième. 19th, dix-neuvième. 19th, dix-neuvième. 19th, dix-neuvième. 20th, vingtième. 20th, vingtième. 20th, vingtième. You got 20th, vingtième. Alright. 21st, 21e. 21st, 21e. 21st, 21e. Alright. Alright. I promise, guys, I'm gonna do a part 2, like I said before, of this lesson. I'm gonna add 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Alright. 25th, 26th, also on. Alright. So for now, we'll do only this. Alright. Alright. We'll learn only those. Alright. For now, we're gonna learn on only those. So in the part 2, you're gonna learn. You guys gonna learn the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th, 25th in Creole. Alright. So now let's learn these in the part 2 of this lesson. You will learn the rest of these. Alright. 30th, 30ème, 30th, 30ème, 30th, 30ème, 40th, quarantaine, 40th, quarantaine, 40th, quarantaine, 50th, 50ème, 50th, 50ème, 50th, 50ème, 50th, 50ème. Alright. 60th, 60ème, 60th, 60ème, 60th, 60ème, 60th, 60ème, 70th, 70ème, 70th, 70ème, 70th, 70ème. Alright. 80th, 80ème, 80th, 80ème, 80th, 80ème, 80th, 80ème. Alright. 90th, 90ème, 90th, 90ème, 90th, 90ème. 100th, centième, 100th, centième, 100th, centième. 1000th, millième, 1000th, millième, 1000th, millième, 1000th, millième. Alright, guys, I think we reached the end of the lesson for today, and I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your comment, for your support. Alright, so please invite a friend, please share this video, please go follow me in Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do have a Facebook page, Untitled Chapter Ministries, Instagram, Untitled Chapter Ministries, and Twitter at Joseph Ministries. All right, guys. And until then, see you next time. May God bless you all. Bye.